Hello friends, today's topic is insert a node in a specific position in single linked list. We already discussed how to create single linked list in previous video. I give the link of previous video in description box and I give the link of this program in description box. I start this program from this point. Let's start. Insert a node specific position. F node temp current is a struct node and I and is a integer type variables. Temp struct node malloc size means temp malloc allocate the size of temp. If temp is not created, then execute this line. Execute this line. Let's temp is created, then execute this part. Means start. Enter the data in linked list who want be enter the value of num is 3. Temp value equal to num means temp point the value part. This is value part and this is next part. Value part is integer part type and next part is node type variables whose contain the address of next node. Temp point value equal to num means temp point the this part value part and num is allocated in this part mean 3 is allocated in this part and see out enter the location which you want. We enter this node in location 2. We enter the value of n is 2. Current equal to have. Current equal to head means the address of head is allocated in current means current address is now 100. Current point the first node. Current point the first node. This loop for search for traversing the linked list. So f node equal to current means the address of current is allocated in f node means the address of current is 100. The 100 is allocated in f node means f node point the first linked list. Current equal to current next part means current point the next part 200. 200 contain the address of new node, then current point the next node. This link is removed and current point the this node means the value of I is 2. It is false because the value of n is 2. Low. Let's loop is terminated. Then execute this part. Temp next part equal to current means temp this and next part is this and equal to current. Temp point the next part equal to current means the address of current is allocated in this part. The address of current is 200 means this is removed because current point the next node. Here is 200. F node next part equal to temp means F node this and next part this and equal to temp means that the address of temp is allocated in temp next part. This is remove, and here type 500 means this is linked with this node, and this block is point that this node means this node insert in this linked list. This link is removed. Let's display function we already created in previous video. Please watch my previous video. And this is main function. Linked list is create successfully and create list function call. We call the create linked list function. And after we call, we display this function, and after call this function. Let's execute this. We enter in 4 nodes. 4 nodes. First value is 5, 6, 7, 8. We insert 3. Enter the data in linked list who want. We enter the 3. We enter the location 2. Let's see. The 3 is insert in location 2. We execute this program again. We enter the 5 elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th. We insert the 8, 9 is 4th location. Let's 9 is insert in 4th location 1, 2, 3 and 4. Thank you so much.